Dog, chill out. Now she's beating up my chair. After playtesting just now, seems like I might need to change the entire possession system. Uh-oh. What's going on? Amadeus, feel free to drop a link. If anyone else wants to share what they're working on, please. I'm being pushed around by my dog's stupid cone. She's starving. I might feed her in a minute. Inkeep Game Manager? Is this where I do it? Where do I save the game every 3 seconds? I don't remember. Wait, this is an Instagram link that goes to Steam. Here, why don't you just do this. This is your game? Let's check it out. That's cute. These characters are wacky. I love it. It's already been 2 days that I stopped at the 7-hour mark because too tired. 7 hours is a long time on stream, Augie. This is crazy. Oh, it's out already. Windows. So this was your first game? Malevolent or Malevolent. Sorry. Yeah, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How's it going? This is nice. It's cool. You passed the 10 threshold. I keep hearing devs like, "Oh, I got to get past that 10 review threshold so Steam recognizes me." Is that a thing? Long live Twitch scam LOL free casinos. Welcome in. Finn, how's it going? Shout out to Finn. Finn's my horror game counterpart. If you ever wanted to watch someone who's very smart and is making a horror game, watch Finn. All right, this save event type save. I can't, I don't understand. Where the hell am I running it? This is telling the games, all the game objects to save. Maybe I got rid of it. The only horror game Finn is playing is Houdini. Yeah, Houdini is a horror game, indeed. Did you... Wait, Finn, did you shout yourself out? Who did that? You're my only mod. Actually, that's not true. I do have one other mod, but they live in the US, so they're never here anymore. I'm pretty sure you just shouted yourself out. But everyone, I encourage you to follow Finn anyway, even though he shouts himself out. Yeah, I did do that. That was me. Disclaimer, that was me. I don't understand what's going on. Maybe it's in the editor. Wardstone. Already done? They're a Kiwi, so I have to? Yeah, they are. Do I do it in the editor? Wait, save system. It's in managers, right? No, save system. Cache, save data. Update delay 3. Oh, that's right. Update delay. Okay, that means on tick. This is it. It's right here, right here. Notify all listeners. So I just need to increase this. So instead of every 3 seconds, the game saving, let's change it to like 30 seconds. Every 30 seconds. Oh, it's technically not needed because I wonder if I can get rid of this. Let's try it. This makes all objects save every tick. Uncomment to re-enable constant saving. We're gonna just get rid of it. We're never gonna save unless we enter or exit scenes now. Just like Hoku Life. Thanks, Jay, for giving me the confidence to do that. Wartstone, how you doing? The game is so much smoother now. It was that saving that made it feel so laggy. What if I grab the controller now? It's still a little hitched. Although it doesn't help that I'm streaming and running through the editor and all that stuff. Oh, it's 6. That means it's time to refresh the wish list page and see how we did. It didn't update yet. Either we got none or it didn't update yet. Yeah, it didn't update yet. So, okay, back to inputs. The next thing on my list is I wanted to make... Oh, wait, I didn't save this. That means it was still saving every 3 seconds. Why was Steam Omega Fest... Wait, what? Oh, Omega Fast at approving the keys I requested today. Is it because they're for applications? No. Sometimes they take 5 minutes and sometimes they take 24 hours. It's totally random. See, Og, this isn't a path you want to go down. The taking a regular spot in your schedule to refresh your wish list stat. This is definitely how I roll. I need to know. I'm obsessed. I use it as a barometer to see like what my mood should be like. See, if I only got 2 wish lists yesterday, I know I should be sad. How else do you know if you're like supposed to be sad or supposed to be happy? It's like, how do regular people decide what emotion they are? The only way I know is how many wish lists I got the previous day. I wish I wasn't like this. All right. Anyway, you don't do it. It's boring to see plus 10 every day. 10 is dope. That's awesome. Also, Finn, 35. 35 streak. Getting universally wrecked. Yo, 35 stream streak. That's awesome. Also, I've noticed that you have stream streaks turned off on your stream, yet you're obsessed with this stream streak. What's the deal? It's fun when I actually market it and it's like 30 to 50. Yeah, it's fun when you see something higher than normal. It means you know you're doing something right. I think I just didn't turn them on. Well, turn that shit on. All right, I gotta feed the dog. She's going nuts. She's gonna knock my green screen over. We're gonna take a 3-minute break. Get some water, feed the dog, and I'll be back in 3 minutes. Hang tight. Hang tight. All right, we back. What did I miss? Well, now my little streak doesn't look as cool. Every streak looks cool, Wardstone. You can turn them off. How do you even turn it on? Yeah, there's a setting. I thought it was on by default, and I always left it on. Now that you said that, I'm definitely going to say yes and forget to do it. Do it. I don't turn mine on because I don't need the hit to my ego, either good or bad. Oh, I need the hit. The on button? Actually, where do you turn them on? I can't find it. It's in there somewhere. That's what I'm asking. Yeah, I think it's on by default. Maybe I'm just sneaking on for 5 minutes at 2 a.m. to ruin everyone's streaks. I did. I never had like a. Or actually, I used to have a way more consistent schedule. Now it's kind of random, and I feel like I screw a lot of people over because I'm just on. And sometimes I'll do like a really short streak or a really short stream over the weekend, and that's totally going to destroy people's streaks. It's in there in settings. Go find it. All right. How is this better? Is this the same? Oh wait, no, it didn't compile. Right? I've been looking for months. You can make me find it for you. Let's see. It is in. Maybe it's in rewards. Viewer rewards. Rewards? Nah. Channel points? Nah. Watch streaks. Yeah, it's in channel points for some reason. If enabled, viewers can share their watch streaks in chat and receive notifications for them. There you go. It's in viewer rewards channel points. It's still hitching. I don't know. What if I play it on Steam? Does it hitch on Steam? I don't think it does. Because you get channel points for streaks. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It makes sense. Everything makes sense. Ooh, and you know what? I need to take suggestions for what I should do for dinner. Because my wife, she's having a game night with her coworkers and they're drinking wine and playing board games. And I'm on my own tonight. Oh wow. Augie, you don't have that option. I wonder why. Maybe it's because you're a Wait, what? Yeah, you're not crazy. That's exactly where it should be. Burger and beer. I had a burger over the weekend. I don't really want another one. Plus, I gotta get crazy Japanese food. You gotta pick your favorite Japanese food. I'm in Tokyo. I'm not gonna go get a burger. Although I get burgers all the time. The burgers are good here. They know how to make burgers. They know how to make everything here. Omurice? Connie, how's it going? Katsu curry with rice and Kewpie? Katsu curry. Where can I get katsu curry? I actually don't know a good katsu curry place. The only katsu curry place I know nearby is a chain, Coco Curry. Oh my god, Augie. Wait, I gotta delete that. I gotta delete that. Of course you're not wrong. Although technically I don't either. Because I'm not having one. That's 2 votes for Katsu Curry. Tanuki? You want me to go eat Tanuki? I haven't had a really good omurice yet. I had a medium okay omurice, and I'm afraid to get another one. Ah, shout out for Connie. Thank you, Finn. Twitch is A/B testing the feature still, so that's why I don't have it. Oh, wow. So I'm just lucky to have it? That's crazy. I don't mind. Yeah. Yeah, feel free to trigger the auto mod just to make me laugh. Your comments that are truly disturbing are safe because they'll get auto modded and only I will see them. So if anyone has a private message from me, just make sure to make it really disturbing. And then only Finn and I will see. Actually, please don't do that. Because if it slips through auto mod, that'd be horrible. Karage. Get Coco Ichiban? Wait, there's Coco Curry House. Ichiban is that's a ramen shop. Actually, it's actually near one of the it's a chain, and I think one of the locations is right near me. Can give you the location of a nice omurice restaurant where I was eating a whole month. Yeah, definitely send it. Be disturbing. Got it. No, don't be disturbing. Like moments, they will only keep it if it actually improves engagement and thus revenue. No one really cares about streaks. I don't actually care about streaks. I care about being in streams I like. Man, that was the most heartwarming thing you've ever said. It's a big curry chain, I think. I have a bit of a furikake from them. That's amazing. Nice. Yeah, no, Coco House. There's a place called Coco House. Coco Curry House, which is a big chain here. Might be the same. Excuse me, sir. I've come to talk about your game's extended warranty. Okay, but you're not my longest streak, so try harder. I stream 5 or 6 times a week. I can't stream any more than that. Screw it, Finn said. I like streak because number go up. Agreed. All right. Let's get back to this. Other machines. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in, and how you doing? This to-do list is everything right now. Make button alert panel optional and toggleable. UI. Pause menu. Contents. So we're going to add an option to the pause menu. Oh, look at that. We're already in the options panel. I feel like there's a day or two missing from the week you could be filling with streams. I don't know, 5 or 6 times a week. There's no more days in the week than 5 or 6. I can't think of any extra days other than the 5 or 6 that I do currently. Just get Puppy to stream? Honestly, I was thinking about that. Because sometimes we go out and the dog does crazy stuff when we're not here, and we could get a puppy cam, or I can just live stream her and see what she does. That's what my wife said we should do. She's like, you should just turn Twitch on so you can watch the dog when we're not here. Not a bad idea. You guys don't stream 7 days a week? No, Augie. You need rest. You're tired every day because you never rest. You need to rest. 10 out of 10 would watch? Nah, she'll probably just sleep the whole time. Button, scroll view, viewport, contents. Oh, this is so annoying. So what do I want? It's going to be a checkbox underneath here. So toggle 0. This will be called, what is this one called? Toggle button. What are these called? Button prompts? Like, what are the prompts in the bottom right corner of a screen that tell you what button to press? Toggle button helper? Button helpers? I don't know what to call it. Also, this needs to be title outline. Yeah. Button mashing helpers. What is rest? Rest is the thing you do to regenerate and recharge. Toasts? What is toasts? What language is that? What language is what? This? C sharp? Oh, what language is rest? No, you need your rest. Also, it's bothering me that this text is not the right color. It should be set to white and set to title outline material. There we go. Rest is either the web dev rest or Houdini has an attribute called rest. I know of no other rest. Sometimes there's a big 8-hour gap in consciousness. I don't know what causes it. You're cute. You think you're so cute. Toggle button helpers. All right. Oh, they're called toasts? That's amazing. I've never heard them called toasts. I'm just gonna say toggle button helpers. Or I'm gonna no button prompts. Toggle button prompts. No, I don't like it because then it makes it feel like I'm toggling the main floating button prompt when you can select something in front of you. Button reminders? Toggle button reminders? Is that crazy? I don't know. Feels crazy. So game manager. No, we don't want game manager. We want preferences. Windows options. Public void toggle button reminders. Is that what I said? Bool value. And then preference manager dot instance dot show button reminders equals value. Game event dot trigger preferences updated. So we need to add this to the manager. Why do I have a public and private variable? I don't remember. Does it matter? Do I need it for this bool? I don't know. Public bool equals true. Starts on. I think I do need a public and a private. I'll just do it anyway. And then I'll do a custom setter just like those. Get. Oh, I do need it so I can set it to is dirty. That's why. That's why. Is dirty. Wait, is dirty equals true, not value. toast because they pop up like toasts. But they don't pop up. They just sit there. I tried currently to find the omurice location because I don't have the right position. I tried to remember the way. I was walking, but Tokyo is huge, so I only know the train station. What's the train station? So you're using Street View to virtually walk there. It's great. Also, I should remind everybody that came in on Adam's raid. If anyone wants to play Alpine Lake, you can. There's a channel redeem. We're doing a public closed alpha, which means you can play. It's public, but it's closed. You have to hit the redeem button. Wordstone, of course you can. Just do this. Where is it? Add me to the alpha. Boom. Redeem that. Ayase Station. Where the heck is that? Maps. Oh my god, where is that? Oh, that's so far away. That's so far away. It's, oh, Adachi City. Adachi City. Adachi-ku. Ninja codes. Oh my god, Wardstone. Okay, so here's what you got to do. Pop into the Discord if you're not already. I think you both are. And let me message you your keys. There you go. There's yours. And Wardstone. Wait, Wardstone, are you in the Discord? Actually, I don't know. Wait, yeah, you are. There you are. Found you. There you go. And let me just add you both to the... There's a secret Discord channel for alpha testers. Edit channel, permissions, add. Wardstone. Ninja codes. Done. Yeah, so feel free to play as much or as little as you'd like. You know, no pressure. And if you find any bugs or errors, let me know. But okay, here's what I'll say. Actually, don't play until tomorrow, because I'm going to upload a new build that's going to have a lot of fixes, and it's going to break your save file. You went to Ueno last summer. Ueno Park here. I love this park. It's really nice. And I went to the zoo. I will QA test to my heart's content. Give it a day. Let it simmer. Give it a day. Also, Neat Games. Welcome in. How's it going? Yeah, you can see where I hang out normally. I'll find a place for dinner tonight. It's gonna be great. I might go to a yakiniku, yakitori. I might go to a yakitori place. It's been like one of my favorites. I went to a yakitori place the other day, and they didn't have an English menu. They barely had a menu at all. They gave me like it was like a handkerchief. It was a handkerchief with all of the meats on the handkerchief, and I ordered off basically a napkin. It was ridiculous. You were walking a lot, and now everything feels familiar. I love walking the streets around here. You can just walk for days. Okay. Where were we? Toggleable interface. I heard yakitori. Yeah, I'm gonna get yakitori tonight. I think it's decided. I got a place right near me that I absolutely love. And my favorite piece is they do a duck piece. The duck yakitori. It's so friggin' good. Oh my god. All right, so now this needs to call the function we just made, which is options set. What did I call it? Toggle button reminders. Oh, wait, it needs to be, yeah, dynamic. There we go. There's no sushi or soba. Oh, there's some good sushi. Actually, oh my God. One of the places I went to over the weekend. It was one of the best sushi restaurants I've ever been to. And I've been to, I know it's, I feel like a lot of people say that all the time. But I've been to a lot of freaking sushi places. And this was honestly one of the best I've ever been to. And it's right in my neighborhood, and holy moly. And it was such, I don't know, it was just so good. I can't even explain it. Sometimes places, they know how to like blow your mind. Sometimes it just tastes like what it's supposed to taste like, right? Sometimes like, oh, that's definitely a great piece of nigiri. And then sometimes it looks like a regular piece of nigiri, and you put it in your mouth and you're just like, what? What? This is so good. Why is this so good? And it's just, I don't know. That's how you know it's good. It has to feel like they won't pass a health inspection for extra yummy points. Sometimes. But you know what? That's actually a good point, Rosem. I haven't had soba yet since I've been here, and it's been 3 months. It's been almost 3 months. I haven't had soba yet. What am I waiting for? Now I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm getting real hungry. That's all right. Let's just get through these things, and then we'll get dinner later. Sushi. Yes. Tamago. I've noticed that I've been able to have more and more conversations fully in Japanese lately, like with cashiers and stuff. It's been an improvement, and I can come up with the sentences faster, like the responses. It's interesting. I'm still like really bad. Konnichiwa. Are we gonna have a full conversation right now? Konnichiwa. Konbanwa. Genki desu ka? Hai. Genki desu. Anata wa genki desu ka? Genius. I knew how to say yes. Ah, 私も. Let's see, what can I? Konban. 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 Nani shimasu ka? Nani o shimasu ka? Konban. Nani o shimasu ka? Is that right? Yeah, I don't know. What are you doing? What are you doing tonight? Are you streaming? I know you stream most nights at like 10. I'm gonna give you a shout out. Wait, what? Oh, right. I always forget the out. I just shout. Konya ha? Konya wa nani o shimasu ka? What are you gonna do tonight? Yeah, yeah, that's what I was trying to say. All right, so we have the event. We connected it. And now we need the UI to listen for it and then basically turn it off, right? So the alerts menu, alert, input alert panel. No, input alert UI manager. Here we go. I already listened for game events, which is good, but what do I need to listen to? Oh no, I need to listen for game preferences. Preference? No. What did I call it? Preference manager. Oh my god, it's Pokemon. This is most ridiculous. This is like Pokemon lullabies. I'm gonna skip it. I like Pokemon music, but I much prefer Zelda music. Right. Yeah, that's what I meant. I just do game event.trigger. game events. I don't like game event. I might switch this. That means I have to listen for game events, which is not something I define. I'm gonna actually switch this right now. Who listens for game events? Actually, no, it's really who listens for preferences updated. Sound effects, event listener, standalone audio source. Okay, I'm going to do that instead. Game events. So, game object event. I think I have a generic game event. Game event. Yeah, game event type. Preferences updated. I don't like those magic strings, so I'm going to make it this enum type. Konya wa haishin o shimasu. Haishin? Sonaoto wa game o shimasu. I don't know what haishin is. Sono ato. Oh, and after you're going to play games. So you're going to do something, and then after you're going to play games, right? Did I get that right? Oh, haishin. Stream. I didn't know that. Haishin o shimasu. Tashi wa haishin o shimasu. Wait. Watashi wa haishin o shite imasu. I am streaming? Yes! You're teaching me Japanese. Haishin. I gotta remember that one. You are Japanese. I appreciate it. I'm definitely not. I'm doing my best, though. I'm doing my absolute best. All right, so I don't like this anymore. We're going to go say game event.trigger preferences updated. That's way better. Boom. 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 You get out of here. So here, instead of listening for MM game event, it's just game event. It's just game event. It's just game event. And then we're not listening for event name. We're listening for event type. Preferences updated. Game event. All good? Good? Everyone good? And then you, standalone audio source, is listening for game event. Game event. Game event. Oh, right. I love speaking Japanese and learning. It's so much fun. I've never really needed to learn another language before, and it's I like doing it too much. Sometimes my wife and I'll be home and I'll just like start speaking Japanese for practice. She'd be like, can you just not? Because she goes to work and she's around. She basically tries to speak all day, and she's spoken to all day in Japanese, and she's learning just like me, and she's just exhausted by the end of the day. And then I'll be like, I want to practice, and she'll be like, no, we're done practicing. Like, okay, I'm gonna go to a bar and talk to a bartender and get wasted. Yeah, that's pretty much how it goes. Standalone audios. Okay, so we're good. We did a little refactor. So now, input alert UI manager listens for game event. We already do. Perfect. We already listened for game event. If e.event type equals preferences updated. If preferences are updated, we want to check the toggle, right? If preference manager dot instance dot what is this called? Show button reminders. So how do I want to control the visibility of this thing? Oh, I can just like clear it and then never spawn anymore. I can basically check. I don't even have to check this. Clear. No. What is it called? Refresh content? Hide all. That's what I want. Hide all. I want to hide all. Oh, actually, this isn't good because if I turn them on in the middle of the player controller, if I unpause, actually, it throws the event again. Show button reminders. What's the best way to do this? Should I just hide the panel? I can hide a sub panel. That's what I can do. I can hide a sub panel. It will still listen to the events because they don't turn off. I'll just hide a sub panel. All right, we did it. Oh, you know what I also never did? You can't select this yet. Oh, it happens automatically. I set navigation automatically. I'm a genius. You're right, Rosem. I am a genius. No, definitely not. All right, so the alert canvas. Input alert info. Is that it? This is item collection container. Input info alert. Is this it? Yeah. Collection. The D-pad input info container. What is that? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, there it is. That's why. I could just hide this. Perfect. I'll just hide the container. Info container. Set active equals false. Info container. Container? Container canvas group. Input alert panel container. Yep. Dot set act. Game object dot set active. And I'll just set it to whatever this is. And then, all right, so we set it when it changes. We need to set it also when we load. And we need to save that. Are we saving it? I don't think I saved that value. Preference manager. Yeah, I didn't save it. Public bool. Button reminders. I forget what I called it. Yeah, show button reminders. Show button reminders. And then on load. So the only annoying thing is, you know what I should do is after the preferences load, I should throw the event game event dot trigger preferences update. I should just throw the preferences updated event when we load. I don't know if that's going to have some serious repercussions. Let's see. All it does is change the volume and this one toggle. I'm going to have so many more buttons here eventually. This is just one that's kind of important right now. Oh, and I need to set it initially when the UI manager opens. Here we go. Set value without notify. I need to get the toggle. Pixel Code Development, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Public toggle. Button show button reminders. Dot toggle. Set on. Yeah, set is on without notify. Preference manager dot instance dot show button reminders. Perfect. What's up, Augie? Things are breaking. Oh no. That's stressful. That's so stressful when you just can't get a handle on all the bugs. I found the store, but I don't think they exist anymore. Oh no. What was so good about it? Full box, everything is breaking. You work off a Mac. Yeah, I do. The store is huge, so I don't know where it was. Oh, was it like a place in a store? It's like a store in a store? I think I got a thing for you, fool. Bam, block shop. There it is. I was in a mall. You got a new capsule. Let's take a look. Ooh, that's nice. Yo. That's an improvement. Block shop. That's bold. Good shit. Can I play it? I still can't play it. Did you have a demo on itch or something? I don't remember. Everyone, you know what to do. Very nice, fool. Very nice. Toggle buttons. Glue tax. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How you doing? Would I be able to send you a link to try my game? I know it works on Linux, but unsure of Mac. If it's not a .app, if it hasn't been built on a Mac, then I can't play it. If you do a web build, I can play that. Like on itch. Oh right, I have to manually refresh the wishlist page to see how we did yesterday. It must have refreshed by now. It's almost 7. Oh, we did okay. Nah, no we didn't. Nah, that was the lower end of average. We got 7. 7's okay. I'll take 7. I'll take any. It's those 0 days that bother me. What do you consider okay? I like a nice 10, you know? It's just, I mean, it's all relative, but all up on my Twitter lately has been people celebrating how many wish lists they have, like Cozy Games celebrating how many wish lists they have. And they're like, some of these are like, oh my God, thank you so much. We just got 500,000 wish lists. I'm just like, fucking, what the fucking 500,000? 500,000? And I'm just like happy to get 10. It's all relative. Forgot about the .app stuff, yeah. Because you're in Game Maker Studio, right? Right, Wordstone? Most of the time you need a Mac to build on Mac. Bro, I only have 300. Augie, but your Steam page hasn't been live much. And the fact that you're getting 10 a day so quickly, it's good. It's good. But that, I mean, yeah, so me complaining about it, it's not like real. I shouldn't be upset. These people also have massive like social media presences. I got none. It's all good. We'll get there. When I get 3, I'm happy. Well, that's the thing. It's all relative. It's just feelings and emotions. So when I see someone with 500,000 and I'm getting 10, 10 is great. But it just makes me feel like 10 isn't great. 500K in a day? No. I think it was like some camper van game. They were celebrating 300,000. I think that Tiny Glade has like 1 million. I'm pretty sure they have 1 million. No, Tiny Glade is also 500,000. Game Maker Studio 2, but it can apparently export for Mac. Yeah, you probably need a Mac to export from Mac. You found it! Where is this? Oh, that's so far away. You also turned my Google Map Japanese. No, no, don't save. Directions. No. Directions. There we go. It's a 4-hour walk from me. Or 1-hour train ride. That's a 1-hour train ride. That's crazy. Well, it's funny that it's only one train. You don't have to transfer. That's far. I don't think I'm going to go there tonight. They also have a ton of employees. You're just one person. Yeah, no, it's totally fine. I get it. I just sometimes I need to vent. Do you ever like write a tweet into Twitter that's semi like ranting or venting, and you look at the tweet and you realize, no, I shouldn't post this, and then you delete it? How often do you do that? Because I do it maybe once every week. I'll be like, here's a sarcastic, snarky, whatever, venting rant of a tweet, and I'll type it in and I'll go to hit enter, and I'm like, no, this is a stupid marketing account. Don't post ranty, stupid stuff. And then I'll delete it. Okay, let's see if this works. Right now it's not starting true, which I need it to start true. Just do anti-marketing. That stuff is really nice, but maybe I'm biased anyway. The food? I'm sure it's great. Okay, the prompts are there. So now I'm going to go to options. Toggle button. I can't select it. Wait, what? I didn't actually do... Where's my auto nav? I thought I was a genius. It skips it. Why does it skip it? I thought it grabs all the children and does an auto thing. Maybe not. Pre-populated selectables. I gotta add it here. Toggle buttons. And this goes right here. Evil Robot Logic, thank you for the follow. Welcome in, how you doing? Oh, right, bedtime. Catch it. Thanks for the stream. Wardstone, thanks for hanging out. Shout out to Wardstone. Yeah, the anti-marketing thing, it could work. I think it could work if you're already big. I think if you're a tiny streamer, if you're tiny on social media, I don't think you can just come out the gate being like anti. It's not appealing. All right. There we go. Turn it off. Boom, it's gone. It's gone. Let's see if I go to a different controller mode, which like on the bike, right? Yep, it doesn't turn on. Let's see if I can turn it back on. We're done. Check. Make button alert panel optional and toggleable. Okay. Do a pass in every player controller to register the correct button. I want to go one further than this. Sometimes I have multiple buttons that... Oh my god! Rockadoodle! Rockadoodle, how's it going? Thank you for the raid. How was your stream? Shout out to Rockadoodle. If you guys don't know Rockadoodle, gotta run, have a great stream. Well, thank you for the raid. Yeah, if you guys don't know Rockadoodle, they're making a creature collector game. Kind of like Pokemon, right? And it's very cute. It's 3D style and it's adorable. Let's look at it for a sec. I know you gotta go Rockadoodle, but we're gonna creep on your page. And check out what you're doing. And yeah, you go and get your rest, get your food, and whatever you need to do. You don't save VODs? An enigma. We'll never know. All we have is this head right here. I thought he makes Grass Simulator. Cooler SK, welcome in. I mean, so Rockadoodle's grass is quite hypnotizing. I've seen Rockadoodle working on their grass quite often. But yeah, thank you for the raid. And raiders coming in. My name is Andrew. I'm working on a game called Alpine Lake. It's a cozy innkeeper sim, life sim game. Wish list. Feel free to give it a wish list. This is what the page looks like, in case you were wondering. It's got a trailer. It's got screenshots and a follow button and a wish list button. Click them all. YouTube has some good progress vids. Ooh, I missed that. Let's get back there. Let's get back there. About YouTube. Devlog. Let's do some skipping. Doing some animations. And is this Blender? What software is this in? Nice. Very cool. Is the grass here? Can we see the grass? This looks pretty. That's a nice thumbnail. I love the shader. I love the cell shader. That's great. Very nice. The chapter on grass is yet to conclude. I see. We need to wait. We need to wait. All right. Well, so what are we working on here? Working on some demo polish and specifically button prompts and making sure the correct button prompts are showing based on what controller you're using, what keyboard, like keyboard controls. I don't have, you can't remap controls yet. That will have to come later. But for now, you just need to get the right button showing for the right action. And for the most part, it does show now. I can't test every controller because I obviously don't have every controller, but you know, been doing my best. But yeah, right now I'm up to the point where I need to do a pass on every player controller mode and every user interface. Every time every time inputs change, I basically register new possible inputs. And here's one thing I don't like. Let's look at it in game. Oh, right. Before I forget, I need to add this to the list. I'm going to do this after this. Readjust timing on opening town cutscene. So we start the game, right? So we got U for use item. Controllers are for console peasants anyway. Just happens that them also have all the monies to buy games, which is why they have consoles in the first place. Well, you know, it's not just buttons on controllers, it's keyboard and mouse. So like I'm using keyboard and mouse and this is set to keyboard and mouse. U for use item, hold U for pickup decoration, M for in management, K and L to shift inventory hotbar. Wait. So K and L to input to shift inventory hotbar. Is this something I need to show off all the time? Pumpkin! Dropping a work lurk. I hope everyone's doing well. Pumpkin, I hope you're doing well. We're doing good here. Everyone, if you didn't know, Pumpkin Dev or Pumpkin Days is also an amazing cozy game dev. She's already released Pumpkin Days on Steam that you can buy now, and she's also working on another game, which is like a life sim mangaka, where it's like an open world RPG-like game where you're a manga illustrator, and it looks adorable. Make sure to check her out. Everybody here is sleeping. Why would you say that, Augie? Because chat's quiet? That's okay. I've had enough coffee to keep going all by myself. I feel like the caffeine is... So the buzz of the too much caffeine is lowering, and then my focus is rising. I'm at like a good level right now where I've got energy and I can kind of focus. You haven't had coffee yet? Get to it. Regular work needs to be done during watching. Ugh, regular work. It's the worst. Oh, everybody is here, I see. No, it's plenty of other places people are. All right, so whatever I said about being able to focus, not true. I already lost what I was about to do. All right, so I was actually just talking through this. So I say here U to use item. It's not true. You can, well, yeah, it is true. You can hit U to use item, or you can hit E, or you can hit left click. Should I put all of these down here? And same with oh no, it's actually right click. Yeah. So it's right click, U, and E. Do you think I need to explain any of those buttons? I don't think I have support for that. But I feel like I should do it. Maybe that's what I do. I add the support for it. Smack my peach. No. First time chat from Raider. Smack my peach. No. Welcome in. So you don't think I should put that? You think I should only have the one? What if I just show two? I show the mouse and one of the buttons. Because U is awkward. Because if you have your hands on WASD, you actually want to use the E key and not U. Hold U for pickup decoration. So it's possible I just want E to be the default, and I also want to show the right mouse button. Just the two. If you have alternate keys, they're visible on a settings screen. Well, that's the thing. I don't have that settings screen yet. And I don't have mappable keys. But what do you think is the default? Is it the mouse buttons or is it the keyboard? Which one? You is awkward. You talking to us? Yeah. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Listen, what does Stardew Valley do? What does Stardew Valley do? Do they even have these, like, on-screen indicators? I mean, I know they have this. Let's look at gameplay footage. Oh my god, cutscenes, 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 cutscenes. What is happening? So they don't have any. Hmm. Do you think these are too big too? Should I make them smaller? It's funny, I'm always deving with this tiny screen. No, I don't have mappable keys. My input system is it's half Scratch and half using a Unity asset, and mappable keys is out of my realm right now. If this is full screen, this is like too big, right? I also have to consider Steam Deck. Mm. When he was hovering over that stuff, it takes almost the same exact, or it takes the same exact, same as the top part. F1 to show mapping. You mean to toggle this? I mean, yeah, I could put that on an F key. That's cool. I do like that idea. But like, you see how they change? I guess what I'm really asking is for PC gamers, this is a question for PC gamers. Are you going to favor, if there's mouse controls, would you prefer to click with the mouse or to use U or E like a keyboard press? And it's weird how like, so here's like some indication of what you can do, and then here's more. In my opinion, the shortcuts get memorized quickly. So yeah, so I mean that's what we just worked on is the ability to turn it off. So you can always turn it off. But I do like F1 to toggle. That's cool. I'm gonna add that. I like that. How do I even decide what to show? If I go to excuse me, the input controller, how am I deciding what letter is the default? U, E, yeah. Oh, look at that. So I basically just map both of them to the action button, and then we're good. But how do I choose which one to show? Like player nav. This is where I register the buttons. Use item is action button. How does it know which one to grab? It's button data. I actually don't remember. This code is old. This code is old. Is this Metroid Prime music? I have no idea. Yeah, Samus and Chill. Good catch. Button data modifier. Use button data. Register button info. Input info display. What are you? Is it a new struct I make? Yeah, it's a new struct filled with button data. Oh, wow. I can hold multiple buttons. I didn't know that. Multiple button decorator. I didn't know that. That means I already support exactly what I want to do. Oh my god, I love this. It's like slow lo-fi Sonic. Oh my god. It's like massaging my childhood, my childhood brain. I can't handle this. Let me try something. So if I say to input system dot right mouse, right click. What happens if I do that? These are public static, that's why. Are they set in the editor? Maybe I set it in the editor. That would be dumb. I hope I don't. Well, no, they're static. They're not here. Where do I set them? Here I set it. Okay. I set new button data to the type. Yeah, I have no idea. Let's just see what happens if I add. Oh, wait, I need to set the decorator, don't I? So multiple button decorator. Multiple button decorator is, or. Is that going to work? I have no idea. We'll see. See, this is why I'm going to have a really hard time doing remappable keys. Just because of how it's like not totally hard coded, but it's definitely not that modular. U or L. What? Why is right click set to the L? What? Right click is set to this. Right bumper is set to L. Why is right bumper set to L? What? What? Oh, because I said it is right bumper. Right click. Okay, so, but it didn't put the or. Why didn't it put the or? Does it need to be after for some reason? Can I put this comma here for no reason? Is it gonna matter? I hope not. Hmm. There we go. So it's an improvement. But why does it show U and not E? That's the other thing that's a little strange. I wonder if it's the order in which I throw the events. So here I check for E key, and here I check for U key, right? U and E right next to each other. I check for U first, and then I check for E. What if I check for E first? Do you think it'll switch to an E? If it does, then that's weird. If it does, then that is weird. No, it's still you. Okay. Okay, that's actually... Oh, because action button is set to you. So whatever... I should have action button alt. I should have an alt for all of these. Because what... At least one. I don't know what it's going to be. Or I can just set this to the E key. Keyboard E. There. Now it's an E. Now it's an E. That's all I had to do is change the image there. So that's okay. Oh, it looks like my multiple button decorators aren't showing up. I wonder if I disabled that. UI alert manager. Okay. Multiple button decorator. I have it right here. If and all sources equals no string. Set it to the first thing. Keep looping. If there's more, set it to the decorator plus the next thing. So why is it not showing up? Oh, because they're images. It's not a string. That's right. I forgot. I never updated that. So when I used to just have strings. Did you get through, Twitch Scam? You're verified? Your email is verified. Twitch Scam's email is verified. That means... What does that mean? Finn, where are you? What does that mean? Man, I haven't seen you in a week. I was worried about you, Twitch Scam. Get the fuck out of here. So annoying. Okay. Now I know why this is not showing up. Because I used to do it all string-based. But now I do it image-based. So this never even happens. This like format data. Format images. There we go. So I add sprites. And x equal, I need to add text in between the sprites. Oh, that's a pain in the ass. I either have to add the text, like a text label in between each sprite dynamically and then clean them up, or I need to show the images directly into TextMaster Pro Text. Oh, it's annoying. Temptic, they're evolving, yeah. Are you a UI toolkit enjoyer? No, I don't use UI toolkit. I keep hearing about it, but I don't use it. I don't know why. Tabbed. You know, I can live with the Twitch scam. That doesn't bother me anymore. It's the follow bots that bother me. I think we're safe from follow bots. It would be a non-issue in UI toolkit. What do I need? I mean, I'm too far down. I'm too far down the development hole to switch to UI toolkit. Here's what we're gonna do. So a UI alert, UI or input alert panel. It's the action text, the icon image 2. Oh, because I already have one. That's right. That's right. I know why. Okay. You can add just this one thing as a visual element. I mean, I don't know what a visual element is in context. Is it like it could be a string or a text, and it just adds it dynamically in an easy way. What is image 2? Image 2 is if sprites format images. Oh, I see. It's like a div in HTML. I see. Yeah, it just sounds like a whole thing I gotta learn. I mean, I can do this. It's just annoying. I just need to... So the info alert panel. Here's a panel that makes up these info alerts, right? It's this. Hold, image. Oh, you know what? That's actually not that bad. I'm just going to always assume it's only 2. And I'm going to add another piece of text. So this is the multi-button... What did I call it? Multi-button decorator. I'll just put it in between the 2 images. Put a little plus. And then if I get rid of it completely, there's a little space there. I'll just hide it and unhide it dynamically if it's empty. Perfect. We're good. Done. I don't need to do anything crazy complicated. So I'm going to add that here. Public temp text. Multi-button decorator text. Hide if unused, if. Multi-button decorator text. Multi-button decorator text dot game object dot set active string dot is null or empty? There's null or white space. Done. Okay. We're good. We're good. Nothing to worry about. I'm using 2022 and it does not have a lot of choices, but I don't mind. What do you mean choices? Does UI Toolkit have, meanwhile, more elements to choose from, or do you still have to implement most of the elements yourself? Oh, I see. You mean like drop downs and toggles and all that shit. So input alert manager. So here, simple. If if panel, no, if input info dot multi panel decorator dot or string dot is null or white space It is not null or white space. Then panel dot multi whatever dot set text to info put info dot multi button decorator. Right? So here's what's going to happen. Panel otherwise set. Oh, look at that. I set active here. So I guess I'll just panel dot. Temptic, thank you for the hydrate. Ooh, I almost dropped my water. Stream almost ended early. I don't know why I do the toggling of visibility here, but whatever. Okay, that should work. UI Toolkit is awesome for creating editor interfaces, but it's kind of useless for runtime because it's also not very good integrated into the new input system, nor in the multiplayer stuff for Unity. Interesting. I actually don't use the new input system. I'm a crazy person. I still use the old input system because I'm using an asset that I don't like that much. I'm using an asset that I don't like that much that requires the use of the old input system. So there we go. One day it'll get a refresh, but right now that is quite the undertaking. I need to dedicate like a whole month to update to the new input system, update my selection system to be better, and maybe a new save system. I don't know. That would be crazy. All right, there we're back. E or right click, hold E, K plus L. So that's confusing. That makes it seem like I need to hit K and L at the same time. So that shouldn't be plus. That should be or just like a slash. And then I want to do the same thing to this with the same thing. Here, action modifier hold, multiple button decorator. Okay, cool. So here's like a silly thing. I've been trying to keep everything lowercase just to make the game seem more casual. Is that stupid? Should I be like using capital letters? Does it look unprofessional to have this stuff be lowercase? It's a weird thing to have to decide. At least 1 year ago, I don't know what's happened in the meantime. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep my blinders on to UI Toolkit and not worry about it because there's no going back. There's no going back at this point. Well, that's confusing. I have a deactivate controller and an end controller. I do not know the difference between these two. Oh my god. I need to comment my code more often. A camel case as well. I love camel case. That's my jam. And then I like all member variables to be m underscore. I don't know where I picked that up, but I just love doing it. It just makes so much sense to me for some reason. All right. So that feels better. That was a pretty big improvement, even though it seems marginal. So I need to update all the navs. Let's go to every player controller I have. Player controller. Oh my god, these are all the player controllers. We got to go one at a time and update all these because it's been a while. So I'm going to start with the player nav, which we just did. So do I need use item, hold to pick up decoration? Do I need to show in management? I feel like I will only want to show this if I have the clipboard item. And I only, so you know what? That's been a thing. I'm going to hide this until we have the clipboard item. And that means I need a database variable. Dialogue Eugene quests. So here is where we are gifted the clipboard. After we make 2 rooms in our inn. I have made 2 guest rooms. Very good. For now, I'll take your word for it. No, this is before that. Excellent. Here, take this clipboard. Here we go. So I give some skills. And I give a clipboard. Take this clipboard. So what I want to do is just have a simple variable like clipboard received, I guess. Variable. Boolean. Clipboard received. I before E except after C. Okay, and then conversations here we'll say script variable clipboard received equals true, apply, done. And then in management, we only show this if the clipboard is received. So if Lua pixel crushers dot dialogue system dot Lua what is it called? Lua what? Dialogue Lua dot get variable clipboard received. Oh, right. I have to cast it as a Boolean. How do I do that? Like as bool? Nah. Dot value? Dot Lua value? Oh, I forget how to do it. No, I hate var. No var. How do you do it? Hard code as int. There we go. As bool. There we go. Okay. So now we only show this if we get the clipboard. And I also only want to I don't want you to be able to enter the mode unless you've received the clipboard. So another thing, we have to add this in 2 places. The player state. No, player selector? Really? It's in the player selector? Player selector. Yeah, here it is. So menu button. Only do this if that is true. Also, we want to do this in one more place. And that one place is the UI that shows the button for menu management. So that's here in the time canvas panel. Menu images, in manager button. UI player controller listener. How do I manage these two buttons? I have these two buttons here. Looks like I don't. How can I? I just need to check this one Lua thing. Is there a Lua console? Inventory engine Lua on dialog manager. What? No, that's not it. That's not it. There's only one instance in this game where it's off, and then one instance where it's on forever. UI player controller listener. You know what? I'm just going to leave that one for now. That's not game breaking. It's totally fine. Let's just test it. So it's not there. And if I hit M, it doesn't do anything. And if I go into the dialog system, I refresh all, reset, add all runtime variables. Clipboard received equals true. I'll pause it and unpause it. That'll update the UI. So in management is now an option. And bam, I can do it. The other thing I want to do is basically turn that button off, turn this off unless I'm at the in. So if clipboard is received, we show it, or end, current location is the in scene. Location system dot current location equals get. I just want a simple bool. Oh, I can just pass it itself. If current, yeah. Okay. Current location equals location system instance dot in location. Okay. So now if I'm in a different place, it won't even show that button prompt, which has been really annoying. This little polish is nice. I like doing little polish. It just takes forever. It's infinite. The to-do list is infinite. Oh, we got a null reference exception. Why? Ah, it's Unity. Unity being Unity. Oh, also, what time is it? Oh, it's been 3.5 hours. I gotta eat dinner. I gotta go to that yakitori place I've been talking about. It's getting kind of late, too. Shit. We might have to bounce. All right. So it doesn't show it. Those are fake errors, fake news. True. Pause. Exit. Great. It shows it. If I go to this scene, it still shows it. And it's visible in a cutscene. That's horrible. Has it always been visible in cutscenes? I need to watch, who uploaded a VOD recently? Someone recently played. Beegs. Let's go to Beegs. Shout out to Beegs for playing on Sunday. Oh my god. Beegs played Alpine Lake for a couple hours on Sunday. Let's look at the VOD. Wait, this is not it. This was yesterday. Oh. Yeah, it was 2 days ago. The VOD from 2 days ago. There it is. So when he went into the scene for the first time, pretty sure he did it quickly. What a ridiculous character. Oh, right. He just reminded me of the Adam C. Eunice note I wanted to add. When you're creating your character, I want you to be able to click on your character and spin them around with the mouse. Right now, you can only do it with the arrow keys, and I don't tell you. All right, so. When does he go to another scene? Talks to Jeff, of course. Everyone talks to Jeff. Can I play at 2x speed? Come on, go do something else. Turning cog. But he hasn't added the pettable dogs yet? What do you mean? What are you talking about? You can definitely pet dogs. How you doing, Turning Cog? I fixed that bug. Beegs, I fixed it. Hope you're proud of me. Oh, right, yeah. So it wasn't working because he was hitting the wrong button. What about pet rocks? Can we have that? It's actually not a bad idea. All right, go, 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 go. It's being blocked by his head. Come on, go to the other scene. Yeah, it is visible. It is visible. We need to get rid of that. So why is this visible? Enemy VTOL, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How you doing? Why is this the only thing visible during a cutscene? Do I not ever turn it off? So UI. Alert canvas. Oh, this isn't even a GUI. That's why. It's not even a GUI. I don't manage this thing with the GUI manager. It's completely unmanaged. It's unhinged. But this is, right? No, wow, it's not. It's not at all. If I hit minus key, it doesn't hide it anymore. Turned it off. Can I see the dinner? What do you mean the dinner? I didn't eat dinner yet. Did you mean the diner? What is this? Super Mario 64. Sick. There's the dinner. There it is. Look at it. It's nice. I like seeing it with this music. Did you get Biggs' feedback on the bear situation? I deleted that from my to-do list. I had it in there, and then I saw it. I'm like, it's annoying. I deleted it. After you submitted a very unround number to John's charity drive, I felt compelled to mention it. That looks hella nice in situ. Turning cog. That's the nicest thing you've ever said, ever. Thank you. Diner looks so good with the update. Yeah, I think so. I think it's the wrong shape, but I guess you were going for that 50s vibe and not traditional waterfall train. Yeah, I'm not going for like the New York Greek diner, you know? It's more of like a, I don't even know. It's just whatever. Can I ban Cog for no reason and then you can unban him and chastise me? No. If you ban Cog, I am not unbanning. And Cog's going to be sad. Oh, it started pouring again. All right. I want to try a thing. I've always wondered what it was like to raid Pirate Software. Do you think anything happens? Do you think he'll even notice us? If anyone thinks it's a stupid idea, I won't do it. We all know Pirate Software here. The legend. Do it? What idea? We're raiding Pirate Software. Always do it? Doesn't his chat spam along like XQCS? Sarko leads, thank you for the follow. You don't know what that is? Pirate Software is the biggest streamer in the software channel. Software dev. Yeah, his chat, if I look at his chat, it actually gives me motion sickness. I can't look at it. So if I ever am in his stream, I literally I hide chat because it makes me dizzy. I don't know how. All right, we're gonna end the stream. I need dinner. We're gonna raid Pirate Software. I don't know. Why not? He's a good guy. This has been really nice. This has been really nice hanging out with you all. Let's see what happened today. I know some things that happened. Got a lot of followers today, a lot of big raids. Thank you, everybody. Who we got? Who came through today? Sarko, Enemy, Twitch Scam, Evil Robot, Glutax, Pixel Co, Ether Machines, Not Shalovic, Malavolic, Castitatis, and 12 Feet. Thank you for the follows. And Adam, Grumble, Rockadoodle, and Augie. Thank you so much for those raids. That's the most raid. This is the most raids I've ever gotten ever in one stream. That's crazy. Thank you so much. Got some stuff done. A little bit of polish. It was a little hard to focus having too much coffee. I'm not going to do that again. I'd rather be sleepy and focused than hyper and unfocusable. Everything gets lost in there. Nice knowing you. Let's get lost. That's fine. Let's get lost. All right, everybody. Have a great